Lately, Davao City has been getting a lot of attention. Investments and progress are on the rise. And because of that, the tourism industry and the dining industry is flourishing. Today, we're at Azuela Cove, and we've been invited to try an array of dishes that are all delectable and interesting. Wow, look at all of this! And it smells so good. I wish you were here. We've been given our first 3 dishes. We have the gazpacho, it's a cold soup. We have here the 3 mushroom soup and a grilled cheese sandwich that I think goes very well with the gazpacho. So let's give it a try. I love that I'm able to taste the roast bell pepper, the most important part of a gazpacho. This is the mushroom soup. I'm supposed to take a shot. Very mushroomy and not creamy. You have callo. It's very hard to make callo, and this one's actually a good one. Patatas bravas literally means brave potatoes. I finished it. We have here a unique dish. Each shell has a different topping on it. Here you have the paella negra, black paella with squid ink, and paella valenciana, a true Spanish classic. It's really good. I like the paella negra. Overall, Union Markets stay true to traditional cuisine. They're not overpoweringly strong. They stay true to the original recipes. It's not too salty, not too sweet. Definitely upgrading the palate of each Filipino, which helps us be more international and more open to different cuisines. I like it. Lengua, bit of shrimp in a sauce. Lasagna, quite nice. It's a classic lasagna the way I like it. Degustation is enjoying a meal, taking little bites and enjoying every moment of it, especially the company you're with and all the little toppings that come with it. The service, the ambiance, and I think Davao City has all of that to offer now. I can't wait what else we can see here in Azuela Cove. I can't wait to see what else Davao has to offer. Until our next chat.